This is the story of Happy Eggs in Port Douglas. At this point of the trip, we decided that it was going to be more of a relaxing part of the vacation. Less movement, more chill.
So welcome to Port Douglas, and especially at the Pullman Hotel. I was born to parents who are farmers, who were farmers. So henceforth I grew up with food. It's very nice. I had a French chef. My executive chef was German and came to Australia to do the opening of the Adelaide Hilton, opened Jupiter's Casino. I've won gold plates, won awards.
What have you found in Australia since your stay here that has changed the food industry or how people want to eat or cook?
Oh, very, very good question. Because in the past, we were only who was there. So you had your influence of French a few, Germans, Italian, your Greek people, that was it. And then Asian started to develop, so the borders opened up. I personally believe it's good, the healthiness of the style of cooking that Asian people had in their country and brought to us, and being multicultural here, that really helped and identify some trends on food, so that was very good. The introduction of plate to farmer or farmer to plate, which was fantastic, which the farmers were not doing in the past. What is more important for me is to be able to tell my guests, this is local, this is grown here, this is fresh. Yes, when you look around today, everybody is busy. Everybody say, I don't have time to cook, which is really a shame. But the product that we're eating from fast food, are they safe? So that's my question to you, back to you. Is the food that you're consuming safe? Big ... That menu that you saw up there is made from scratch. From scratch, absolutely, and I'm proud of it. We are actually designed the menu for Michael Jackson's wedding with Debbie. So Janet came out afterwards and she was, every morning she asked for the chef, she said, chef, I want a healthy breakfast. I said, yes ma'am, what would you like? And she had egg white omelette with spinach, so I never forget that. And every morning for 5 days that she stayed with us.
Let's go make one of those.
All right, let's go.
What's the secret to making a good omelet?
It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. The true secret, honestly, Happy Eggs. These eggs are from the farm, Yamakasi farm in Cairns, which are roaming chickens. So we call them Happy Eggs. That's why when you see our guests are there, which I have no doubt you've seen them, they're all smiling. Why? Because they all have omelette in the morning. So what we've done, we sauté our spinach, and now with a nice little pan, what we need to do is the secret, and I remember with Janet what she did. Chef, you gotta beat your eggs properly. That's why I said to you, it's in the wrist. Very, very important. A little bit of oil, not too much, as we have a little bit, but you just warm it up. So it has to be warmed up. You can see your pan is really translucent, nice and hot, and then you fill it. It's not too hot, perfect. Get rid of the oil, and what we need to do is put the egg white. So we just put the egg, that's it. As you can see, it's going to start taking. Then, quickly, move it. a dash of salt, just a pinch. As you can see, your egg is already starting to take. So move it away. I told you before, all in the wrist. See the movement? Perfect. But you're not learning from a Frenchman, okay? Move it away. Beautiful. Almost set. And then what we need to do, as you can see, is set. We move it away, and then we just add the spinach into it. So your spinach has been sauteed in a dash of extra virgin olive oil, nicely in the middle, with some seasoning. Perfect. Your omelette is now ready. As you can see, it has taken. Incline your pan and just roll it nicely. Perfect omelette. Tip, tip, tap. Ready to go. Bring the plate to the pan, and this is your omelette. Nice, healthy omelette. And then just to tell you spinach, voila. These are the omelettes that we used to make. So enjoy. Bon appetit.
Now here's a story about midnight.